Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 concept stands at the crossroads of power and luxury, merging rugged durability with modern sophistication. Let's explore the striking features of this futuristic truck, from its exterior to its performance. Exterior design step by step, the Sierra 1500 impresses with a bold, muscular front end. Its massive grille, coupled with sharp LED headlights, creates an imposing presence on the road. The aerodynamic curves flow into a robust body, showcasing powerful lines that emphasize strength. Notable features include upgraded 22-inch wheels, integrated step bars, and a panoramic sunroof. Pros: strong, bold aesthetics, attention to detail. Cons: may appear overwhelming for some. Interior and dashboard design step inside to experience a blend of luxury and tech. The spacious cabin boasts premium materials with fine leather upholstery and soft touch surfaces. A high-tech digital dashboard offers an intuitive interface, while climate controls are both user-friendly and stylish. The dashboard's minimalist approach offers a sleek look while integrating cutting-edge technology. Pros: comfortable seating, advanced tech features. Cons: could use more storage compartments. Performance: the Sierra 1500 concept's engine delivers an incredible balance of power and efficiency. With a V8 engine, it provides seamless acceleration and remarkable towing capacity. The driving experience is smooth, with responsive handling and robust off-road capabilities. Pros: strong towing and off-road performance, quiet cabin. Cons: slightly higher fuel consumption for some users. Price and competitors price competitively. This concept will likely fall into the higher-end pickup truck category, appealing to both luxury buyers and enthusiasts. Competitors include the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. Pros: great value for the luxury segment. Cons: expensive for budget-conscious buyers. Ideal ride design for those who want a balance of luxury and ruggedness. The Sierra 1500 concept excels on long drives or off-road adventures.